All right, the drink we're about to make is called Creamy Orange. And we'll start off with our ice in the glass and measure out 1 shot of sherry. And follow that up with a half of a shot of brandy. And next we'll do about a shot of orange juice. And it looks like we're getting a little low on orange juice. Make sure you keep your things nice and stocked. And we'll follow that up with a tablespoon of light cream. That'll do it. Now let's mix this up real well. And we should get a nice creamy beverage. And the orange juice will obviously give it that nice orange taste as well. Go ahead and pour that in. Oh, look at the frothiness. Can't get enough of that. And we'll give it a straw. We'll go ahead and garnish that with an orange. There we go. That is a creamy orange, bottoms up.